Hi, this is Jonathan with Van Windows Direct. Today we're going to take a look at the premium awning for the Ram ProMaster van. This window will be for the passenger side sliding door and driver side forward positions for the 2014 and up Ram ProMaster 136, 159, and 159 extended wheelbases. You'll see that there's a 36.5 by 15 opening with a large awning. This will go out, it's piston driven, and it will open nearly 90 degrees, giving you a massive opening for the for airflow or just your open air experience. You can then pull up a retractable bug screen or down with the privacy shade. It's going to be in a 15% UV allowable solar privacy glass. The window will come pre-assembled, so the screen and shade combination will be pre-attached to the window, and you'll install it just like a regular fixed glass window. And again, you have your screen, you have your shade, they can magnet together, and then you'll have two levers to release and push your window out. And again, this is the Van Windows Direct Premium Awning for the Ram ProMaster van.